Alright guys, what's up we're going? So me and Rasta man trying at the business again, right Chai?
Yeah.
What we are making today? Well, in the evening.
Plantain, porridge, oats and things.
Yeah, so basically you just take off a little bit of the skin, you know, and wash it.
Wash it and things.
We're gonna put some what you put in it.
I put oats in there. Peanut.
Alright.
Coconut milk.
Alright, you hear you know? I hope we have coconut milk.
Coconut milk.
Yeah, we have coconut milk powder there. So we're going to blend up all of this.
Together.
So this is our last strong back porridge before we go back, right?
Go back again. Right, yeah.
I found when we make it, you know, but we lazy, so we just make it juice instead. Alright. So we're going to blend up this here. Throw one cinnamon stick and we're going to make that boil. Alright. You gonna try peanut with it too? Differently? Alright, whatever. You are the boss. Check it out. It's good. Natural thing, eh? Smooth enough?
Yeah.
Think you can go on, eh? If you want blending more, make it thin out. Give another blend up. You want it creamy and smooth. Alright.
Blend up the peanut
And then mix up everything. Alright guys, so we got to blend up the peanut now and the oats and mix up everything. Try a clean man, you know, guys. Try a wash up. Alright. I think you're alright. So we are going to put half. You're not do half of that, all of that. No? Half of it. Put about half cup of peanut in there, yeah? Put a little bit more now. Yeah. That's it. Yeah, you want cornmeal in there? Backside, guys, I want new one this year. I mean, know this year one, yeah. Rasta man say cornmeal we go in there too, guys. Alright, you see it? Rasta man thing. So I'm gonna put oats and cornmeal. You hear ya? Alright. Yeah, that's good. So you put the cornmeal too. Alright. You hear this, guys? Cornmeal now we're gonna give the body in say. And this is a really fine cornmeal. Put about 1/3 or 1/4 cup. Just a little bit. It's about 1/4 cup, eh?
Yeah.
I mean, I know the cornmeal could go in the try. Yeah? Everything can blend up, not true?
Cornmeal is good porridge.
Good. Good porridge, alright. And blend again.
Yeah.
You think it's smooth, no? Get a good blend, eh? Yeah. Alright. Yeah. Alright. Right. You good? Right. It's hard to come off sometimes. Grab it like so you can see. Alright. Oh, look at that. Rich, guys. How this your name now? What this name try? Strong back in, say.
Strong back in, sorry.
Alright. See the guys? 100%. You see that? When we go up, I have to go try the little bit of cornmeal. Can you say me thick up it too, eh? Yeah. You smell the cinnamon stick, try? You want to put the coconut milk now after?
I put the coconut milk after this.
After that one. Oh, you want a whole pot this try? Yeah, talk about. Alright, and you have to constantly stir it, eh?
Stir it, yeah. Lump up.
Alright, you try to tell anything there? when he store and he get pick up, me I go come back because it I go take a good story, right, Chad?
Yeah, so look at why the store.
Yeah, alright. Tell them what can go in a porridge.
Yeah, cocoa, yam, banana, gashi, and blend them up.
I make porridge too.
Yeah.
What you say? Me blend up them I make juice, you know.
Yeah.
But then can I just make it porridge with it?
Same.
Add breadfruit too.
Yeah, breadfruit.
Oh, where the hell you say try? Me use them make punch, but not porridge. But I guess I add away and carrot too.
Yeah, carrot and all porridge too.
You hear ya guys? So basically, see how me make the punch, just make it warm and a porridge, and a healthy porridge. Aye, alright. Soon tick up, we are come back.
The red peas, where you eat, rice and peas, and also boil porridge too.
You hear them same thing,
blend it
guys?
up like the peanuts.
You blend out, so basically you cook red peas?
No, you don't have to cook it. You can cook it if you want to cook it.
Oh, so you go blend it as is, and then just like you blend the peanut.
Yeah, nobody can make a peanut or a pea.
And then when you cook now, you cook it just like how you make it. Ah.
Nobody can make a peanut or a red same.
Oh, how you say? Alright guys, we're gonna come back when it start boil up. Wow. I will pass it to me and learn you guys.
This is the powder one, you know?
Coconut.
Coconut.
Alright.
Fast away.
Yeah.
Come in hungry and thing,
Yeah.
quick and fast.
Mm.
In Jamaica we say fast.
Yeah.
So
You know, really healthy.
because this go through the process, but through the
Oh,
fasting.
okay, so you want a real one, like how we did
Like
chop
how
out
we
a
chop
roll.
them,
Ah,
yeah.
that's the real thing.
Blend up and grate.
But this is just a quick and
Yeah,
fast.
quick and fast. I come home hungry up with this one and fast.
Okay. Alright guys, you see it? Give it a stir try. Little bit. Alright guys, I'm gonna put a little bit of water for me, just mix it out. This, you know?
Yeah.
It's like a thick. Alright, I mix out it.
Mix up this one.
So guys, you don't have to use no milk. Cause tell them you know touchy milk.
Natural, yeah, natural.
Yeah.
Everything natural.
Rasta natural. No, you no use no milk, no cow, no goat,
No goat, no
no hog, no pig, no nothing. Just all
Yeah,
natural, plant-based, vegetarian, vegan thing on here. So, yeah.
I just add this in right now.
Alright, there you go. All natural stuff, guys. See? You don't want no more milk more than that.
One boil.
Yeah, boil down. And you add some vanilla and nutmeg. Yeah. Oh, it smells good already. Try.
Turn on the stove little because we don't want to.
Oh, yeah, turn on the stove.
Yeah, turn it on already.
You turn it on already?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's like a slow cook.
Yeah.
Eh? Them a come look for you, try. Then if you come look for you, man, make it porridge there. Hey, you know, see when them a sell it at street side? Yeah, man. 1 cup, or about 150, 200 a cup now. 200 a cup with a strong one.
$500, $500.
The bigger one is size wise. If you want a big cup, medium size, small. Alright, we're gonna make that boil up. Come to. Put some nutmeg in
It's
there.
a flavor. This too, flavor. Smell it? Take out, give me more right. And put in our porridge.
You can't go in there, no, but put it there, so put it back there. So one day that time you put that in there because I mean, I have to go.
Break your tie shell now.
Right. You see your water take time to drip, drip, I say it come, you know.
And nuts in a shell, you know.
Yeah. Good stuff. Alright. I go grate it. I'm not making this too, you know, guys. And so it come off right great. Yeah. So come off right great. It's good, you know, good flavor, yes. So cinnamon stick, all natural, nutmeg.
Natural.
Yeah, we have put some vanilla for flavor. No, and not more on that, try.
Nothing more. I mean, sweet. Add a little salt too, to go on.
Yeah, put a little
With the body.
put a little bit of salt. Alright. Put some vanilla.
Yeah, this is vanilla.
About a tablespoon or 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons. Alright. Guys, this with a slice of bread, you don't want nothing more at dinner time. Or 2 fried dumpling, eh?
Friday evening.
A Friday evening thing. Alright guys, we're just gonna make it boil up now and settle down. How long you boil if I try? We already have cooked it for about 15 minutes already.
But you know, start is up then.
Yeah.
You have to make the start boil.
Yeah. We already have boiled it now guys for about 15 minutes. We are getting another say 15 minutes more. Yeah. Just let it cook down. 15-20 minutes and let it simmer. We are come back, alright? Yeah. Alright guys, so the porridge ready. What you put in the tray?
Sugar, we have sweeten.
With some cane sugar,
yeah,
real sugar, brown sugar this time. Just sweeten it to taste. Yeah. We don't want it too sweet. Oh. Yeah, put more, yeah, sweeten it to your liking.
Rasta,
yeah, see Rasta say, what you say, try? No, we know in alright, we don't want this sweet thing around here. Throw in a spoon. Oh, too much. Throw up some try, we know, you know that? Alright, yeah. Just sweeten it to taste, put a little salt there, so. You see a teacup try? Guys, if you don't make, I tell them all the time, if they don't make porridge and it don't thick up, they're not ready yet. Yeah. You got through your bone. Try say you got through your bone. Taste it, try if you want more sugar. See your tasting go guys. That's the man taste it. You say want a little bit more guys, a little bit. Yeah, no, not too sweet, a little bit. Alright, that we do? Alright, we say we don't want it too sweet, we are stay away from the sugar thing, alright? Drink up a bowl here now. So, this will hold me till we go foreign. Alright, until next time again guys, see? Next time we do a different kind of porridge, right Charlie?
Yeah.
Every time different one. I must be asleep. See how rich it is? Yeah, rich and nice. And thick. So you serve up a bowl of this on the street side, ain't try?
Yeah, no.
Alright, try, that's good enough for me. Show it for you. Show it to the rest and put some in that one they feel too. You know, yeah, that I feel. Put some in that for me now. Put about 3 spoons. We drink some later and tomorrow. Yeah, man. Alright, that's a for me try. I don't want enough one time. That will do for you. You share out for you. Yeah. Oh, yeah, serve it up with try. Some bread, whole wheat bread, alright? Alright, try. Show them how it works. Alright. You call it broke up the bread in the porridge. Alright. Besson, what you know about this? Where you go?
I'm not this boss, where you go?
Hey, you want bread in yours?
No, we broke up mine.
He said we broke up for him. You don't know him a deal with you. Try, come taste the porridge with the people them, yeah? Try your taste the porridge. Tell me how you go. You see how quick we make the porridge? You righteous, try. Big up yourself. Hold up the plate, try. Let me take a picture. Hold it sideways, sir. Wait, me good. Wait, try. It's nice. Alright, Rasta man thing. Bless up, try, yeah? Alright. Alright, one love. My husband, I go try it and me, I go eat some. Bless up. And we have more today, no? Holy. Bye, guys. Yeah.